Now this is the project for IoT based accident location detection. In this project I've used Arduino Uno board, a GSM module SIM 900, a 16x2 LCD display, a buzzer, a GPS module, a shock sensor and a IR sensor here. So now I will be showing you how this project works. So first I am powering this Arduino by help of this USB cable. Now you could see here the device gets activated, and I am turning on this GSM module by the help of this 12 volt adapter. So this project is totally based on detection of accident and the location where the accident has been occurred. So now for detecting the location I have used a GPS module here, and for sending the location by the help of a SMS message I have used GSM module SIM 900A. So this is my project, and here I have used a IR sensor module to detect the blinking of eye of the driver. Now if in case, let's say, an accident has occurred, so a particular intensity of shock will be sensed by this shock sensor, and if in case the driver has some fatal effect, then his or her eyes will get closed, and this IR sensor which is placed in this goggle will detect the eye closure. If the eye closure is continuous for 5 seconds, then it means an accident has been detected. There is a fatal condition for the driver. So immediately the location of the accident will be sent to the family members. Now my device is active here. Let me show you the demonstration. So I am closing the IR sensor by the help of the hand. Now I will create a shock. Now you could see here, so accident has been detected and the GPS location is sent by the help of the message. This is the project. Thank you.